You can't die, Vibes.
I'm gonna go straight on my box.
I think it's gonna climb up. He's like over here. Close to the entrance.
But I keep coming back.
Oh, they did it.
You heard him below me somewhere.
Yeah, they dip it.
Nice.
65. Right over here.
He's TP back.
I'm crafting ammo, so.
On a ton, 1 feet dead.
Dude, come on, man. You 180. I need to reload my PK.
Running.
I'm going down the other side.
He queued. They cannon. They already beam him.
There's not. He's on the right.
I didn't even get assist, man.
I have ult set if you need boys.
That's all.
Riding down here as well.
Can't even put my drop here. There we go. I'm waiting for my drop.
Bro, I almost hit the fucking Twitter clip on him. I did the cannon thing backwards, almost one-clipped guy earlier. He was like 10 HP. And then I slid it to the other two. Get that fucking guy.
Yo, what up, Jay, bro? How you doing?
Gold heavy mag. I don't need.
Negative.
I've dialed 2 heavy weapons. There was people shooting down here. That's
On our left.
They're probably they're probably them chasing. Right below me in the water, I think. And then one team hide.
No to a travel team yet, sadly, Jay.
I'm a little bit late.
The one team in the water, low ground. Back. Flash.
He's not very happy. I can ulti up top, Hackets. Oh, we can cube as well.
Yeah, let's actually be up top.
Okay.
Get a Kraber. I'm taking it. Get the Kraber.
You guys ready?
Yeah. I think we just, I'm gonna nade him with Q. Okay?
Okay, I'm gonna, oh, okay.
Nading.
Tethering him as well.
You can do it.
I tethered one.
I think it's good nade.
Oh,
You
shit.
didn't reach, dude.
No, I didn't reach. That's
Oh,
bad.
fuck it. I'm chilling, I'm
I'm dead.
Go inside.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
dude.
there's 3 teams.
Shoot up.
Right above you. Need to get out. Need to rush Huggies.
Oh, no, I got this.
Full team. There's 3 teams.